That's it? I want more.
More is more.
More is always more. That feels so good.
Hi everyone, I'm Niko with NARS, and today I'm with Adi, and we're gonna show you how to achieve summer skin.
Because we love a beautiful, glowing summer skin.
We do.
Am I going to look like a golden goddess?
And you sure are.
David?
Well, Adi, as you know, the most important thing before starting makeup is prepping the skin. So we are going to start with a light reflecting primer.
Love it. This is not oily, right?
No, it's not oily, but it does have a really beautiful pearlescence, but it's not greasy or overly shiny. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the center of the face. Just blend it out using your fingertips.
Oh my God, you're so good at this.
If you're somebody that tends to get a more combination skin or you tend to get a little shiny here, apply less product on those areas. And you could apply a little bit more where you prefer more of that glow, which typically would be like the high points of the face. So I'm just being a little extra generous on those areas.
It feels really good. It's quite lightweight actually. Okay, that's a massage.
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
We're really gonna pamper the skin before applying makeup.
Pamper away.
Next, we're doing the light reflecting foundation. Have you used this before?
Of course I have.
What do you like about it?
It's easy, it's light, also it has a glow. So it's not too matte, it doesn't look dewy, it's somewhere in between a sweet spot.
We are doing the shade Cadiz.
Okay.
And you said it perfectly. What I love about this product is that it's not too heavy. It looks like glowy, beautiful skin.
Yep.
And that is because this formula is loaded and formulated with 70% skincare ingredients. So not only does it look amazing on the skin, it's also gonna help improve the quality of your skin over time.
So it's skincare first.
A skincare makeup hybrid.
As it should be, 2024, we need skincare in our makeup.
So you'll notice that I'm applying this with my fingertips. That is something that we've done at NARS since the beginning. Our founder and creative director for NARS believes that the best skin is skin that reflects light and that it looks like second skin. So by applying it with your fingertips, you're going to notice that you're going to get a much more natural finish. So what I like to do here is like warm the product in the palm of my hands just like this to melt the product. And then I'm just gonna start doing a light veil at the center of the face, working my way up outwards.
So you're almost activating it and then putting it on my face so it looks like skin.
Correct. By melting the product, it's gonna seep into the skin much nicer. Now that we've perfected the complexion, next is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I love the little mini one, especially as a makeup artist. I love to have this in my kit. I'm just gonna apply 2 little dots, or 3, right on the inner corner of the eye.
That's it?
Yes. The reason I like you do a lot more than that.
I'm going crazy with it.
I mean, we can start here. We can always build it up depending on what you want. But I always like to typically apply it on the center of the inner corners, just because most of the darkness typically comes from this area here. And
oh, that was deep. Most of the darkness comes from here.
No, it's not like as much on the outside usually. So I always start here and then I start blending it and then see where we are, and then we could always add more concealer where we want. This is actually the Soft Matte Complete Concealer brush that I'm using, but because of the shape and how dense it is, it's gonna give you more coverage instead of brushing it away. So I'm just gonna do a stippling motion and just tap it right in there. And don't forget to go a little higher on the inner corner of the eye also.
When I'm doing like an eyeshadow looks, I just take it all the way on my lid because it forms the great eyeshadow base.
It does.
This concealer is so good.
It's amazing. Yeah. I do the same.
It almost color corrects your lid a little bit.
It does.
So it's like a nice canvas.
The color I'm using, I use chestnut, so it does have a little bit of a peachy undertone.
Perfect.
So you'll find that not only does it brighten, it's also gonna neutralize the undertone.
And you've had this color forever, right? The
yes.
shade? And we're just realizing the peaches and the pinks are so good with color correcting, and NARS did it first.
Yeah. There's colors like honey for light to medium skin tones or lighter skin tones. There is biscuit and there's chestnut. Those are, depending on your skin tone, those are my favorite correcting shades. Can you see the difference?
Yes, this is brighter than this one.
Yes.
Smoother, clearer, there's light.
There is.
Yes.
Now we're just gonna even you out. Applying that on the inner corner of the eyes, and using, again, a stippling motion, we are going to blend that out.
I'm really impressed that I can stay still for this long because I can never stay this still ever.
How long do you normally take when you're doing your makeup?
20 minutes with the editing.
For the full face?
Yeah. Like I'm a go guy.
You're a go guy.
Yeah. The hustle, you know?
The hustle.
Yeah, the hustle.
We live in New York City. It's we're on that hustle all the time. And the beauty about this, like you said, you could do this in 5 minutes, but since I'm doing your makeup for the first time, I'm customizing it a little bit. I'm finding your shades, but once you have your shades down and all that ready to go, you could definitely do this.
It's muscle memory. It's a makeup muscle memory.
That's a perfect way to put it. Are you ready for the grand finale?
Yes, I am.
The light reflecting setting mist. This is brand new and I'm obsessed with it. It just feels so hydrating, but it sets your makeup so it lasts all day.
A good setting spray can change your makeup game. It's like different layers of makeup and you melt it together and it looks like your skin. That's what a setting spray should do.
And before we sign off, we're just gonna finish off with a little bit of color using the brand new Explicit lipstick.
Oh,
look at that.
Wow. Okay, this color, that is a beautiful nude. But the question is, will this work on my pigmented top lip?
Let's find out.
Okay, ready. I'm excited about this.
So I like to apply it directly in the lip. The beauty of this product is that you get a lot of color payoff. But if you wanted a softer look, I'm gonna go in and just buff it out using a brush. So I'm just gonna dot it on just a little bit, and then on the top lip as well. Go ahead and move that together.
It feels so cushiony and comfortable and moisturizing. Wow. What was the shade?
Excess. I'm just gonna buff it out using a brush, just to give it that really seamless, airy look. What do you think of this color? Did it pass the test, the two-tone test?
I think it did. I love how this translates, like adapted to my lip color. The fact that it actually worked on the top lip, that is amazing. Feels very comfortable.
And you know what's even best?
Yeah.
It's that it's a refillable packaging.
There we go. So you get more and more and more. My favorite is the setting spray. Like I want this in
I feel like you want to add more.
and I want to go. This is definitely giving the bronze glowing goddess looks. I love the primer. I would wear it by itself. It was so lightweight. Now I need Niko to teach my husband how to use his hands to do my makeup because that was a self-care moment for me.
And this is how you get glowing skin for summer using NARS. Thank you for watching.